It's the OMC's nekata, and whoever wrote the statement, I salute him this morning. Edu baby a see nya kukudro for say yebetimi aka no credit chinipa.
Make hard decisions. But one of the assurances I make you is that this money will be used exactly for what it's meant for.
Asante me da sinti ora John Mahama na mote ne kan say yanto abama no say me president no me take soft decisions. They so me take hard and difficult decisions. And I me say nyatwum na ebeku nipa. Abri Akufo-Addo na ogina kono na o take bold and decisive decisions no. O TTC krom ekoye propaganda. And na GPR24 ama ultimatum say in 10 days says adum so levy aban enye mfiri hono mo a on beko nationwide strike. And you support on because this very tax no every Ghanaian living everywhere will be party will pay the Dumso levy. Every Ghanaian who cow who nikau ubetua because ene ubefo trotro or kotofu la ya de beto so e de amomo asante me yanken kan oil marketing companies for krata omo trade koma aban no na krata we emu asem no wiram na fo ato aba ama no ubekwa ko pass aga na fo ada uwi a holiday a yankwa adwuma no ne what truck on a holiday na odia serve workers no OMCs no on a Sunday ne what catch from say Monday or start implementation and what share OMCs ne krata na omo try to come aban na you can clearly see say OMCs no they were on point and the krata ni my yankin kan na yenhwe 8 June ni endra kwasiada or say the Commissioner General Ghana Revenue Authority Accra Ghana DSM tariff interpretation order on the implementation of the Energy Sector Levy Act 2025, Act 1141. Or say, we write to register our utmost dismay and strong objection to the letter received from your office this morning, Sunday, 8 a.m. Kwesiada na po 8 a.m. dated Friday, June 6, 2025, a public holiday. The letter demands implementation of the new energy sector shortfall and debt repayment levy, effective Monday, 9th June 2025. Let us state the fact plainly. This approach is neither lawful nor operationally feasible. It smacks of coercion rather than governance and depict a military regime, issuing a backdated directive on a holiday and serving it on a weekend for the next day compliance border on institutional ambush. The chamber leadership met the Honorable Minister of Energy and Green Transition on Thursday, 5th June, to discuss the levy and table 3 practical and necessary demands to mitigate impact. That engagement, it appears, was merely ceremonial, as the concern raised have been completely discarded. Asante yanko suru kakra na yanko se then so me one so no. Osimiwa the COMAC had already made our position clear in our 4th June press release. The downstream sector is burdened with 8 separate taxes and levies, cumulatively representing 22% of the export price. The ESLA, the Fofona Abano, increased the increment pushes this to 26%, threatening the industry survival, competitiveness, and consumer welfare. Worse still, the abrupt implementation deny our members, the oil marketing companies, the lead time needed to adjust systems, price, and inventory. How are OMCs, most importantly, those on the cash and carry system, to generate funds for the tax they did not anticipate on the stock did not anticipate on stock to be lifted tomorrow? When we are emboldened, also we therefore wish to state unequivocally that COMAC and 8 members cannot and will not begin implementation of this levy from Monday, June 9. Monday, 9th June. We request a minimum 2 weeks transition period with a new implementation date of 16th June 2025 to allow industry players to align with this major physical change. This must not be reduced to a technocratic rush to impress. We are industry stakeholders and not bystanders, and we deserve better than rainbow style directive in the middle of a weekend. What of a weekend? What a wow. I mean, or say we are industry stakeholders and not bystanders. We deserve better than rainbow style directive in the middle of a weekend. So this is the sign of a very deceptive, a very dishonest, and a very, very bogus government. Say, which na ene mashel sofu Kofi Oduro video na okasa on this e-levy, on this Dumso levy. Me call back as I share any videos abra na the e-levy eba. Ochana, I will show you the 2 videos and then you decide for yourself. John Mahama Braso there, I say, Mr. President, ain't you know, ECG officials no, what the task in the bomb because what's na wana. Beku for the Braso there, or say, yeah, the nonsense must stop. That is the kind of society I iwumo ene. Ain't he? Ene da we ni mu eche but John Mahama say ohia. Ain't he OMC's nekrata no, and whoever wrote the statement, you know, I salute him this morning. Edu baby ya si nya kukudro fo say yebetimi aka no kweda chinipa. Ene kana shigbe say ono so aja appointment. Kenti yanchi wuntumi nyina no. Say ne ye pa appointment. Munchi wuntumi nyina say na kana shigbe e pa appointment. Waje appointment kana shigbe. Say munchi wuntumi as ye ko nyina ene galam say e twa nipa wo Ghana. NDC for ena eye galam say e twa nipa awo e wo Ghana. That your my Ghana mo hypocrisy, dishonesty, any greed, and then the we all will account.
E-levy buy. Will be any church in e-levy chain. Because on behalf of the ministry, we paid see one day we paid e-levy early morning 30,000 e-levy. We were transferring 300,000 Ghana cedis for cement from the factory. We paid e-levy 30,000 in the morning. One go. It means when we talk about yeah, 30,000 one morning.